Hi everyone, I'm Star, and in this video, I'm sharing a friendly summary of Chapter 5 of Psycho-Cybernetics. This chapter teaches one powerful idea. If you want to change your life, you have to change your self-image first. Maltz says many of us carry an old, inaccurate picture of ourselves created by past mistakes, fear, criticism, or painful experiences. And this picture doesn't represent who we really are. The good news: you can rebuild your self-image anytime you want. Maltz gives several key steps. 1. Let go of past mistakes. Your past doesn't define who you are today. 2. Create a clear mental picture of your best self. Calm down, close your eyes, and imagine the strongest, most confident version of you. 3. Add emotion to the picture. Don't just see it, feel it. That's how the brain accepts it as real. 4. Practice daily. A few minutes of visualization every day slowly rewires your self-image. Maltz says this process is like mentally acting out the role you want.